Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Olana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys whether the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask, the new one, that is the Yuzu Lemon, as well as the Marine Algae one, are either a hit or a miss. So is it worth investing your money in buying either one or both of these masks? As you guys know, I feel like when it comes to L'Oreal products, you always expect the best. We all expect the best, right? So if you guys want to know whether these are a hit or a miss, whether L'Oreal met their standard or they failed, then please do stay tuned and enjoy the video. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. It's kinda crazy. I'm here all bare-faced, you know, with my ponytail. Hey. Okay. What makes a hit or a miss video? It's actually talking about the products themselves. So let's get right into it. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So I'm going to put a thing right here showing you guys the other three masks. I have spoken about them on my channel. I've given a few review of the other three masks, and the other three masks are the eucalyptus one, the charcoal one, as well as the red algae one. So those two, algae, I'll go with algae. So yeah, just watch this video right here if you'd like a review of the other three that they launched. I think a year or two ago. They launched these at the beginning of this year. I know I should have brought them around, but hey guys, life happens here. So okay, to start, I am going to be showing you guys the L'Oreal Pure Clay Blemish Rescue Mask. This one has the marine algae in it. It's blue. It has this really interesting spongy texture. It's so smooth. It's smoother than most of their other formulas, so to speak, and all the other masks that they have. It smells absolutely amazing. I really love the way that these smell. The one thing that I do have to tell you about the L'Oreal masks is they are all scented. So if you're one of those people that really don't like scented products, you might not like these. They have like, the first time that I tried them, I was worried by the scent. Like, I really thought that it would break me out because I have very sensitive skin. So I was pleasantly surprised when they didn't. So I'm going to tell you guys in general what you are supposed to look for, or what these masks promise. And then we have here, ooh, this smells so zesty, so lemony, and so citrusy. This is their Pure Clay Bright Mask. It has those black, almost like particles in it. It's meant to brighten your skin. So and it also has Yuzu lemon, which is like a citrus fruit. I'm guessing from lemon you kind of just get the gist of it. Again, this has a special texture, so to speak. So now that we know what both these masks look like, let's get into the why you should buy them, or why you should try them, or what they promise to achieve for your skin. So the L'Oreal Infallible Pure Clay Blemish Rescue Mask clear and unclog your skin. The three clays that are in there are kaolin clay, which absorbs impurities, and excess sebum. Excess sebum can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. So once like it kind of just draws out that excess sebum, you are guaranteed that your face isn't going to be breaking out as often as it normally does. And then they have Mont Morillonite clay. Mont Morillonite clay is really rich in minerals that help eliminate imperfections. It has minerals such as manganese, silica, sodium, and potassium. It helps expand your pores and extract all the gunk trapped within the skin. So all the gunk that ends up causing either blackheads, as you guys know, what happens is sometimes things get clogged in your pores, and then when they're trying to kind of escape, that's when you get black and whiteheads. Whiteheads are caused by extra sebum, that oiliness that just builds up and just needs to that is so disgusting. And then you have Gasul, Rasul, or Moroccan clay. As you guys know, I've spoken about this clay so many times on my channel. I am going to have a link right here again for you guys to watch, because I also use this for my hair. It is one of those wholesome masks that are also not drying or too stripping, because sometimes clays can be very stripping. So if you have sensitive skin, or if you have really oily skin, you don't, or dry skin, you don't want something that's going to do too much to your skin that it ends up sensitizing your skin and causes problems. So Rasul or Gasul clay is a very, very good choice. Okay, so I figured whilst we wait for my mask to dry, we could come on here and talk about what the masks actually promise to do. So first things first, when you apply the mask, you are going to feel a tingly sensation, especially for the blue one, which is the one that clears and unclogs your pores, but it's not like a painful tingling. It's just like you feel like it's working. It's actually working. The citrusy one has these black micro particles that can be used for that can be used for exfoliating. I think that's why they are saying that it brightens up your face. It gets rid of just dead skin that could make your skin look dull and gloomy and bleh. So yeah, that's the things that you need to know for now. And now on the box itself, it says that the instant and lasting visible results. For instant and visible lasting results, in each and every one of these bottles, you are going to be getting about 10 uses. It is a 50 ml bottle and they retail for about 123 rand. Immediate results will include, that is for your clearing and clogging mask, which is the one with marine algae as well as the 3 pure clay masks. It's the immediate results that you're supposed to feel are your skin is supposed to feel fresh, your pores are supposed to be shrunk, and your blemishes reduced. And then after use for 1 week, blackheads are unclogged, skin is mattified, and after use, you will get the results that are pores are cleared, skin is visible and transformed. You can use these masks twice a week, depending on which one you choose and which one targets your specific problems. And then as for the yellow one, which is the one with Yuzu lemon, what it's supposed to do immediately is your skin looks deeply cleansed, appears more even and luminous, and then after a week of use, it's supposed to tone your skin tone is supposed to be clarified, your complexion is supposed to be fresh and bright. So I'm guessing this one would be perfect for summer. I mean, you want your skin to look its best. And then after use, you are supposed to expect your skin to breathe and be visibly transformed. So I've been using these masks on and off for almost not a year, but since like the beginning of the year. So for more than 5 months, I use them on and off because I received, this is actually a brand new purchase. Like I had to I've repurchased these twice since getting them. I received the first ones from L'Oreal in a press pack, and I've repurchased them because I absolutely like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go wash off my face and then come back at you guys with the final results of the mask. Now for the final word. Are the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask, the new L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask, a hit or a miss? I absolutely think that the blue one, which is the one that is supposed to unclog and clear your skin, is definitely a hit. At least it's a hit in my house. I mean, I really love the way that it works on my face. One of the reasons why I decided to actually do this review is because my skin is in need of masking. I don't know what I did. I think I used coconut oil on my face, and whenever I do, my face just breaks out. So I've got like an intense breakout like right here. It's just basically my skin looks so clogged. It's like small little pimples, you know. And I know that if I use this by tomorrow or Friday, my skin will be getting back to its normal self. I've been really obsessed by these pimples, which is a bad thing, because what I did on Monday, when I realized that they were coming out, as I scrubbed my face and then I agitated them. So now I just need something that's going to calm my face, calm my skin, like just bring it back to its normal balance. And which is why I chose the L'Oreal Pure Clay Marine Algae Mask. I absolutely love this, and I mean, it makes me look like a Smurf. Who doesn't love Smurfs? I love it. And then let's go on to the Brightening Mask. This smells very citrusy. I don't use masks that have exfoliants in them a lot. One of the reasons being that I've got very sensitive skin, so I feel like sometimes they tend to sensitize my skin more than they help, but it is, however, brightening. It smells really good, which is why I choose certain areas of my face that I know I can use them without worrying about it breaking out. Whenever I use it, my skin feels smoother than it did in the beginning. So my cheek area, you can see, I just feel like, you know, there's balance and there's that little inner glow coming through. I wouldn't use it around my forehead because that's my most sensitive part of my face when it comes to breaking out, and also sometimes around my nose, like here in the inner parts of my nose. I can even feel my lips look so dry. Damn. Can't find anything. I'm just gonna like use this lip primer because honestly this is bad. I don't know what's happening with my body. I think it's because I don't know what's happening with my body actually. Yeah, so that's why I don't really like brightening masks. So I feel like whenever I have to give brightening mask reviews, it's always they're kind of disadvantaged in my life. However, I do like this. I only use it on specific parts of my face. I would never use it on my whole face because I've got areas of my face that are very finicky and moody, and I feel like it would break me out. They're very like there, but other than that, like, it's an amazing mask. It does do what they say it does. You will feel deeply cleansed. Your skin appears more even and luminous. Can you see that inner glow? Hey, natural light and all. Got absolutely nothing on my face. And then with the unclogging one, your skin feels fresh. Yes, it does. Your pores are shrunk and your blemishes are reduced. Before I did the mask, I felt like the pimples on this corner right here were kind of inflamed, and now they've just kind of like, they have calmed down. I can still see them, but I mean, it's not a magic potion. You need to allow it to work. So also don't overdo it like I did on Monday, because you end up making your problems worse than they actually are. Anyways, guys, so I believe that these two masks right here are actually hits. If you have sensitive skin, I would kind of try and stay away from this. Or if you're going to put it when you're now washing it off, try not to scrub your skin too much, because you might end up sensitizing your skin, thus leading to breakouts. As for the unclogging marine algae one, I love it. Before I tried this one, I absolutely loved the eucalyptus one, which is the green clay mask, but I think this is now my favorite. Like, I think this works better than the green one. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. If you guys like mask reviews, please do let me know so that I can, because I love using masks. I use them often. I've got enough of them to bring to you guys. I just need feedback. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.